Hello friend, today I'll show you a browser that's suited for a gamer boy. It means if you are a gamer boy or girl and you want not an ordinary browser, you want some extra features and want gaming background or theme in your browser, you have to download Opera GX download, and after that hit enter and you can see the first link. Just click here and after that you can see the download option. Here just click on accept download and it will start downloading in few seconds. Okay, now just click show in folder and after that just double click on it, and after that I minimize this, click on accept and install, config setting, click on confirm, and it will take some time and after that it will install in our machine. You can see it will successfully downloaded in our machine. So this is the interface of Opera GX, and you can clean, you can check the speed, control and mode. You can select according to your need. So this is how you can download Opera GX in Windows 11 machine. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.